Welcome again to my video channel where I talk about the best DeFi programs and opportunities to make money with. At the end of this video, I will draw the lucky winner of my 10 drip Twitter giveaway, so keep watching all the way to the end. But first, I want to talk about the return of the Animal Farm. The much-awaited relaunch took place after months of waiting and postponing, and investors jumped in massively. The launch went smoothly, and on time. Forex did a great job. The total value locked is over 100 million, and this in less than 24 hours, which is just amazing. All the farms and pools are working, so you can stake your pigs, dogs and LP tokens in the ecosystem and start earning dividends right away. I put in 134 drip BUSD LP tokens in the farm, where they earn a nice 108 APR, paid out in dogs. The dogs that I earn here will go to the dog pound, where I will stake them in the auto-compounding pool to generate pigs and BNB. Remember to use the add liquidity tool of the Animal Farm if you want to pay your dogs with BNB or BUSD. If you do it on PancakeSwap, you will pay a 90% tax fee, so you definitely don't want to do that. Check out the recommended dog pound strategy video on my channel, where I explain in detail how to make money with the dog pound. It's a good thing to note that the rewards are on a 24 to 48 hour interval, so you will not immediately see the rewards that you're gaining in the farms and pools. Forex said that you have to wait 24 to 48 hours for your rewards to accumulate, because it's set up in the smart contract, so don't panic if you don't see your profits increase. Another thing is that there's a 4-hour withdrawal lock time in the farms and pools. If you try to withdraw your rewards before the 4-hour lockup period, it won't work. The Pigpen is already starting to pay out more BUSD to the Pigs token holders, and because of the increased amount of transactions that take place, more BUSD is sent to the rewards vault. I currently have 86 pigs, and my goal is to get as many pigs here as I can. If you stake pigs in the Pigpen, you automatically become a shareholder of the Animal Farm and you get a share of the BUSD rewards vault, according to the amount of pigs that you have. There's absolutely no reason to sell your pigs. Just stake them here and let them work for you. The BUSD rewards are generated from deposit and withdrawal fees and taxes from the farms, pools and dogs transactions. The piggy bank is the place where you pair and stake pigs and BUSD LP tokens to get piglets, which earn up to 3% truffles per day. My strategy is to compound my truffles every day, and sell them once a week to keep up with the decay. I unpair the pigs BUSD LP tokens on PancakeSwap and the pigs are put in the Pigpen. The BUSD goes into the single staking pool to earn more dogs. I use the same 6-to-1 strategy in the drip garden, where I managed to grow over 3 million plants. The drip BUSD LP tokens go to the farm. If you want to know how much you are making in the garden, you can use the Drip Formulate website. I am currently growing one plant in less than a second, which comes down to 100,000 plants or $27 per day. I think we will see this ecosystem blow up in the future, so I am very bullish on the Animal Farm and also on Drip, especially with all the new projects that Forex has planned, like the Scratchies, the Pigpen game, the Dogs Roulette, the lending protocol and so much more. Check out my Animal Farm videos if you want to know more details about all the different tools, or leave a comment below and let me know what your money-making strategy is. Remember that this is not financial advice. I only show you what I do for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before you invest in crypto, and never use money that you can't afford to lose. Let's go over now to the winner of my 1000 YouTube subscribers giveaway on Twitter, where you could win 10 drip tokens. Having 1000 subscribers is a milestone, so I wanted to celebrate this achievement. I can't thank you enough for being here and for watching my content. It's a sign of appreciation for all the effort that I put in these videos, and it's a satisfying feeling to know that you enjoy watching them. If you are not already a member of my YouTube channel, this is the perfect time to do it. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get a notification when I post a new video. The Twitter contest was a success. I got 95 entries, which is amazing, and I appreciate everybody who joined. Let me load up all the participants so nobody is left behind. Okay. One person will get 10 drip airdrops from me, right to their drip wallet. And the winner is GIO, or Joe, with the Twitter username GXO777. Congrats to the winner. If you also want to win free drip, make sure to follow me on Twitter, because I plan to do more giveaways in the future and then you know first when I make an announcement. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something from this info. If you enjoy my content, please hit the like and subscribe button. Have a great day, and stay safe.